Hello everyone, I am Janapati Srinu. Who are watching first time my channel, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. In this video, I am going to explain about today GATE 2022 memory based questions. So in this video, I am going to give some of the memory based what I am remembering those questions. Here I am going to give what they asked in from symmetry, right? What is the point group of SF6? SF6 point group they asked. What is the point group of SF6? It is a octahedral point group. Octahedral point group. Then they also gave the match the following, right? What is the match the following they given? Symmetric. So that is what oblate they given and prolate they given. Symmetric prolate and spherical and asymmetric they given, right? So symmetric oblate is C6H6 benzene is the example. Symmetric prolate is CH3Cl and spherical is SiH4 and asymmetric is CH3OH. This is the question they give in the examination. And from symmetry one more question, that is 135 something. So they given question from symmetry 135 upon theta 1 they converted into -1 -3, so that is what 5. So they given for one more theta 2 they converted to -1 -3 -5. So here only 1 and 3 changed, so we can expect the answer is sigma xy. From this to this z is also changed. The option is given by sigma xy and c to z, right? So this is the question they asked. And one more question from the solid state, sin theta, right? What is the angle theta they asked? Very simple question they asked. So what is the question? Generally question is asked theta, right? So theta calculated. So for BCC they given BCC, so they given that 4 3 1 something, right? So this is the plane they given. So order, and actually the question is n lambda is equal 2d sin theta. Here n is order they given 1 into lambda they given already is equal 2 into what is the d? D means a by under root. So here h square plus k square plus l square. HKL values also they given sin theta. So then here what is the a, right? For BCC 4r is equal to root 3 into a. If you want a is equal to 4r by root 3, should substitute 4 into r by root 3. So after that they given the r value for metal also they given. After substituting enter the a and root HKL and lambda value and order is 1, so you will get sin theta value. So sin theta is equal to something, you will get theta is equal to sin inverse. So the answer is theta is equal to 29.96 something. So that is the degrees. So this is the question from the solid state they asked. Next from polymers they asked, the question is the relation between the K and P. From polymers they asked, so this is from surface, sorry. K is the relation between the K and P, K and pressure. They asked the relations. So the option is, generally we know that theta is equal to Kp by 1 plus Kp. If you will do this, K is equal, K is directly proportional to P power -1 you will get. So this is my answers what I got in the examination. Here only I am discussing. And one more question from, so that is F block elements, that is cerium plus 3 calculated magnetic moment. Calculated magnetic moment. What is the answer? Simple. How you will do this? This is the cerium plus 3 is F1, right? So we know the mu is equal to, what is the formula? Mu is equal to under root J into, mu is equal to under root, here mu is equal to G into under root J into J plus 1, right? So how you will calculate this? Plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 0 like this. So L value is 3 and S value is what? Half, right? So J is equal to L minus S, you should take 3 minus 1 by 2. So that is 3 to the 2 3 is 6 minus 1 5 by 2. So J is equal to 5 by 2 you will get. So the G for formula is 1 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus s into s plus 1 minus l into l plus 1 by 2j into j plus 1. After getting the value, if you will get 6 by 7 g is equal, if you substitute g mu is equal 6 by 7 into under root j is what? 5 by 2, right? 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. So that is what mu is equal 6 by 7 into root 35. 5 3 7 5 is 35 by root 2 root 4 is comes out, it is root 12. 2 3 is if you will calculate this, 2.53 is the calculated moment for the cerium plus 3. Next question. So they asked from the Eyring equation, right? Eyring equation. What is that? Delta H is equal to, so EA minus delta Ng minus 1 into RT. This is the formula. The value they given 10.5 something minus. So this they given the bimolecular reaction O3 plus something NO2 they given. This is the elementary reaction is bimolecular reaction. For bimolecular reaction it is the minus 1 you will get. Minus 1 minus 2 minus. So here what you will get? Minus 1, right? Here actually the formula is plus 1, right? H is equal to E plus PV type. So you will get minus 2 RT. So then this is in the kilojoules. They given R value is 8.314 joules into temperature is 25 degrees they given. You should take 298. So after converting this 8.314 into 1000 you should do for kilojoules. So then 298 if you multiply with 2 you will get almost answer is 5.54 something. 5.54 kilojoules. So this is the Eyring equation question. Simple question from the kinetics is, so what is the order units for second order reaction? Units for second order reaction, right? So this is a simple question they asked. So here what are the units generally? We know that moles power 1 minus n, liter power n minus 1. This is the time inverse. This is the nth units, right? So they given in place of time, they given the second inverse. So mole power n is 2, right? Order is 2. You should take answer is mole power minus 1. Then liter power 1. Liter is nothing but meter cube. 10 power minus 3 meter cube. And the second power minus 1. This is the answer. Next question. Outer sphere mechanism they asked, right? Outer sphere mechanism they asked. The question is like this. Iron H2O something plus iron H2O. If it is plus 2, they given plus 3. The value is K11. For iron same take bipyridyl. Same iron plus bipyridyl plus 2 plus 3 should take. This is the K22. Then cobalt NH3. Taken trace charge is plus 2. Then cobalt NH3. Taken trace 6 charge is plus 3. The rate is K33. So they given which of the following is a high, which of the following is possess more rate, right? So generally it is a outer sphere mechanism. If you will do for this is consider here it is the cobalt plus 3 is low spin complex. This is the what cobalt plus 2 is a high spin complex. Here both are high spin. Here this is the both are low spin. So generally outer sphere mechanism favors the low spin complex is more suitable for this is what iron this is for outer sphere mechanism. So answer is K22. So then K33, then K11. This is the question. And one more question they asked from the spectra, that is C13 NMR signals they asked, right? C13 NMR signals. How many number of C13 NMR signals are there in this molecule? Right. If you cut this molecule like this, it will get almost symmetry. This is take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and one more is 8. This is equivalent part. So C13 NMR signals are 8. And one more question they asked from the metal enzymes, that is what ferredoxins. So what is the question? So generally they given the question is rubredoxin, comma ferredoxin, 4-iron ferredoxins, which gives upon H2S the number of H2S in the ratio of the given. So answer is 0 to 4 because rubredoxin possess, so that is a sulfur of 16 bridgings are 0. So ferredoxin possess what? So iron, sulfur bridgings are 2. For 4Fe pyridine is cube shape, so that is possess the 4 sulfur bridging. So what I am thinking, the answer is 0 to 4. Next, very simple question and repeated question. They asked the Raman frequencies of oxyhemoglobin and oxyhemocyanin. This is the previous question. Options they given different, but the answer is 1166 something centimeter universe, and this is the 744 centimeter universe. So next question is molybdenum CH3CO taken rise 4 they given. So calculate the number of sigma, pi and del bonds, right? So how you will calculate this? They given MO2, right? So CH3CO minus possesses a -1 charge. So here you should take 2x. 2x is equal to, so here -4 comes this side plus 4. So x is equal to plus 2. That means each molybdenum is, so generally each molybdenum possesses 6 electrons. Chromium molybdenum 6, 12 electrons. From 12 electrons you should remove from each molecule 2. So total is from 2 molybdenums you should remove the 4 electrons. So you will get the 8 electrons. So how you will write those 8 electrons? Sigma, pi and del, then pi, del star, sigma star, pi star. So here bonding is 8 minus, here you will get del star something you will get. So here 8 minus 0 by 2, that is equal to 4 bonds you will get. That is what? 4 bonds means sigma bond is 1, 2 pi bonds and 1 del bond. Answer is 1 to 4. Sorry, 1 to 1, right? Del bond is also 1. 1 comma 2 comma del bond is also 1. Next question. From 18 electron rule they asked. 18 electron rule they asked, but I don't exactly remember the question. But so osmium something they given, right? Osmium, nitrogen, something nitrogen they given. So something like this. So this option is valid. So one more option I didn't remember, but the option maybe either it is MSQ, maybe it is rhodium. So next, match the following of metal ions they asked. That is a simple question. Carboxypeptidase metal is zinc, right? Then nitrogenase metal is molybdenum they given, and one more metal they given, that is what? Vitamin B12. Already we know that vitamin B12 is possess CO. So from match the following they given, so you should keep those answers whichever is correct. Then canonical ensemble, right? Next, from canonical ensemble is they given, so which of the following is correct? So that is, question is MSQ, multiple select question, that is volume they given, temperature, then composition they given, pressure they given, right? Pressure they given. So the answer is generally for canonical ensemble it is NVT, right? So volume is there, correct, T is there. So but N is number of particles, but here they given composition, so we don't know exactly whether it is composition or particle. So whatever the answer may be right, I don't know exactly, but these two are correct. Along with this may be correct or not, I don't know exactly. Then next question is something from solid state they given, that is something values. This values they given something 25, 32, something answers maybe they given options monoclinic, so that is orthogonal, orthorhombic, then triclinic, then tetragonal. Options they given. I don't know exact what is the question. unable to explain this question. Then next question is one epoxidation question they asked, that is what? So the given ABCD multiple select question these are so here upon which of the actually the question is like this. Option should be H2O2 something what they given. This is a peroxide, it forms the epoxide bond. Then this is a dioxygens also they given. So most of the cases the answer is like this. Then next one more question, I don't know the exact answer, but the question I remember like this. Weight of the molecule polyethylene they given something 8500 something whatever it is they given, and the length of CC bonds also they given. They ask you to calculate the gyro radius ratio. Generally we know that for gyro radius ratio for RMS, right? Root mean square velocity. What is the general formula for RRMS? So for gyroscopic it is 1 by root 6 into root n into L, right? This is the RRMS. So I don't know exactly so how to do this, but the question I remember like that. Next, cobalt with 13 substitution decarbon. So what is the given question is like this. CO here, CO here, CO here, CO, CO, C13O, C double bond O, CH3. So they asked this, they give this, and the question is decarbonylation. So answers you should write. So options may be 25% something, 25% non-radioactive and 50% methyl. So options are given like this. That is also I don't know exactly. And one more question, that is a nickel plus 2 they asked, and one other nickel plus 2 octahedral structure. So they given the electronic spectra values that you should match. The following question is there. And one more question is brown color precipitate for so that is what iron something complex they given. So which are the following cation species they given, right? Iron plus 3, so UO2 plus 2 something, then thallium, then copper. The question is something like this. They asked one more question is HA and HB they asked. HA and HB in NMR signals they asked. That is also exactly I don't know, but here the question is like this. One is both methyls are above the plane, one is below the plane, and they asked to find the singlets something they given. That is also exactly I don't know. So this type of questions they asked in the GATE examination. And if it comes for part 1, I don't know the answers, but I remembered some questions. I am going to give what are the questions they asked. So P plus Q is less than 8. So something they given P and Q is less than 16 something value, and P plus Q is equal to so something 8. So in two options, either it may one of them may be correct. So I think the answer may be P plus Q is less than 8. So one question is sitting arrangement they asked, right? So that is what P is exactly diameter to the Q, and S and T are next to the P, and they given to find out the in between who are their neighbors to the P and neighbors to the Q. So answer they given RT and P comma S. So like this they given. So next one more question they asked. That is what conclusions, right? Conclusions they asked. So what are the questions? So they given that all engineers are actors and something based on this we can write, right? Like this engineers, actors, and writers. So based on this conclusion question also they asked. And something like grass, rice, green rice, they given the statement which of the following statement satisfies that question they asked. So that is based on the rice something. And one more question, which of the following tire, right? So something question they asked, if you burn the tire, if you burn dash, then the smoke will comes. So that is what, if you burn the tire, the smoke will comes, and that is easily something like what is it called, tiredness, something it will create. So that type of question they asked. One more, and something, one more question I remember that. So the cube they given, right? Cube, that so that is sphere they given. That sphere is so that sphere is contains a cubical shape. The volume they asked, right? So this type of questions they asked. If I remember more questions, I will do the next video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you very much.